In today's video, let's talk about how to use Zillow to see school ratings for any neighborhood. Now to do this, you'll need to first of all search of your neighborhood on the top of the screen as you normally do inside of Zillow, and then you'll need to open up a property in the nearby area. So once you add it in a search or a location inside, you can tap on any listing that is being displayed, and then you'll need to scroll down to the bottom until you see a section which you'll be able to see which says nearby schools. You can see all of the schools that are being displayed. Zillow embeds data directly from greatschools.org, showing a list of assigned public as well as private schools with a test score that is rated from 1 to 10. So you can tap on the show more option. It's going to give you a few more details about the great schools and as well as the ratings. You can take a look at the exact rating inside of the profile, which will be taken to the greatschools.org. So you can take a look at the exact rating by heading over to each of these profiles. So using this exact process, you'd be able to use Zillow to see the school ratings for any neighborhood. If this video did help you out, do let us know. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.